We went to a haunted house tonight. We got a little bit of some footage from the haunted house. I'll show y'all. Yeah, it was pretty fun. People were crying and screaming. But it was wonderful. Did y'all have a great Halloween? I hope everybody had a nice time. And we stopped on our way to the haunted house and got us some Cash Explosion. I got 5 of these. I had to pay to get into the Field of the Screams. It's not a haunted house. It's like a field. Why am I here? Field of Screams. With some, some old wagons, and people get all on the wagon. They take you all way back somewhere in the country, and scare you, basically. You see, wow, it's fun. It was fun, but you got hot. It was hard to videotape inside the actual maze, basically. It was fun though. All right, today we're gonna go ahead and get the scratching with our Nevada coin 2006. I have 2 of these. This one is a Denver Mint 2006 Nevada, the Silver State. This one here it's a Nevada as well, the Silver State. This one's a 2006, but I think this one is a Philadelphia Mint. So we have 2 of the same coins from different mints. I like that. That's my treat for the day. Trick or treat, trick or treat. All right, we got tickets number 84 through lucky number 88. Got 5 of those. All right. So hopefully this dude don't creep up on me. All right, we're going to start with ticket number 84 on this Cash Explosion. It's loaded with 2 times and 5 times multipliers. We're going to win $10,000, and we're going to see the back for play instructions. It says, reveal 3 identical prize amounts and win that prize. Reveal 2 identical prize amounts and a 2 times or a 5 times. And win that times on the prize amount. All right, ticket number 84. Let's get to scratching. Y'all know we already smoking, baby. Smoking hot. Ooh. It wasn't trying to scratch at all, baby. All right, we got $10. We got to get 2 like amounts, or 3 like amounts, or 3 like amounts. There's that $10,000. If we get 2 like amounts, we have to get a multiplier with that. There's 2 10s, 2 4s. A 50 and a 5, a 50, a 500 and a $2 and a $10. Ooh, I thought it was finna say 10,000. Y'all know what I was gonna do. All right, we got 2 $10, 2 10,000, 2 4. A dud. Let's get this scratch dust out of here. All right, and we are on ticket number 85. Ticket 84 was a dutter. All right, let's scratch off these 3 like amounts. There's a thou wow, a free ticket, and $4. 500. Another free ticket. There's another 1,000. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Is the free ticket gonna win? There's free ticket, so free ticket 1. We got a free ticket. Way, yes, yes. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like any win, big or small. I like them all. Understands? This is ticket number 86 on the Cash Explosion. Let's go ahead and get our 3 likes on this one. 3 like amounts. We got a 500, a $2, $10 holla. Which one is gonna win on this one? We got 2 $10, 100, 2 500, a $20, 2 $2, and 100. Any like amounts? Nope. Get the scratch dust out of here. All right, ticket number 87 on the Cash Explosion. $2 ticket on the Kansas Lottery. Let's go ahead and get the scratching. Y'all know we already smoking, baby. We have 50, $5, $10, $2, 10,000, another $2, 2 50s, 100, and another 100. We have no 3 likes. All right, this is lucky ticket number 88 on the Cash Explosion. Hey, this one right here is gonna be the $10,000 winner. Watch. Let's go. $2, $20, $10, 5, another 10, another $2. Who's gonna win? There's the 10,000. There's another 10,000. Oh, I thought it was that 10,000. Don't y'all do? Me and Kansas Lottery finna have a fight. Oh my mama. Y'all don't do me like that. My heart skipped the beat. I thought this one was the $10,000 winner. I swear my heart is beating, but it's okay. You live to scratch another day. I holla. We won $2 out of 10. I holla. Remember to gamble responsibly. Don't use your food money, bill money, or gas money.